might give them 2-1. But let's see here, as actually we're gonna hop on board into Hardpoint on Nuketown, and off the rip, it's actually a quick start for NRX. It's gonna be a war here on Nuketown B5, especially that first hill. And as you can see, Idra with the amount of war, the player to watch actually, and he's actually has no kills right now, but slowly getting his way in the hill. Jay-Z gets one, and now they do have control of that early lead beef.
Yes, sir. And we see here Zeze getting that double kill, getting rid of Whoopi and Idra, but then Crush with the answer gets rid of Zeze as well. Then right now, such a solid defense here at P1 for NRX. But just like that, Dunya Games gets a hold of the hard point just with the scraps though, because they're gonna have to rotate to the next hard point, which I think already NRX already has. So Idra with that double, a very beautiful double kill here. Again, coach, what do you think DG should do to actually be able to infiltrate point number 2?
I mean, it's Nuketown. You just gotta win your gunfights. That's it. No rotations. Nothing works here. You just have to win your gunfights straight up. It's Mano on Imano. And SK Jetsky actually taking out one, but the spawns do go in favor of NRX. But you can't really control the spawns in Nuketown. It's really comes down to the gunfights and all your score streaks. As you can see, it's really just it's a gunfight mania. I keep on repeating it, but it is all about the gunfights here. As NRX does have control, Shock RC goes out. Jay-Z is gonna get taken out by his teammates, but DG actually getting in the hill, and now Clove trying to push that hill, but gets taken out. And you can see NRX still spawning at the back. Jetsky trying to get some kills, does get 2. There's one more person to beat at the back, finally gets taken out, and now the spawns have flipped. 20 seconds on the clock. Beef, you can play for scrap here, Beef. What are any thoughts on coming into this next hill for NRX?
Well, NRX is gonna have to rotate to the next hardpoint, but right now Whoopi's actually doing a really good job with contesting it, being really annoying right now for Dunya Games, but he does get taken out right there. And yeah, the rotation is gonna have to pull through as DG's really gonna have to get all of these points actually, because right now they are head to head right now. But then NRX is poised and ready for the next hardpoint, and like what you said, it's an all-out warfare right now. They're gonna have to really defend this hill because right there around the corner is going to be Dunya Games.
It's actually true, and actually Clove's not really getting those triple double kill he's getting like since yesterday. He's actually getting shut down by NRX, which is really good. They're getting those trades going in. You know, it just doing is whatever the kills are all balanced for both teams actually. But now, as soon as I said that, DG will get control. And Clove, here comes Clove trying to get loose. Guts get one. Can he get it? The second one? No, but his teammates there to pick it up. That guy with a double kill, and now DG will get the hill, but as you can see, it's a really close game. Be 54 to 50, 20 seconds on the hill. DG will get this scrap time. I believe this is the next hill will be the one where they're going to use their operator skills and their score streaks to usage.
Yes, exactly. Zen again, look at that kill over there. What great defense here. They were able to attack as a unit, and just like that, they keep really exchanging these hard points, and we've already known that because such a small map like Nuketown, it's really hard to have some sort of strategy going in here because you're gonna want to have to really charge in. And again, Zen with that kill, Idra with the response, Jetsky really getting put down here, but then NRX is already in the next hard point. This is going to be really hard to defend because it is so open. They're gonna have to rely on their score streaks for this one.
Yes, that is true. This open hard point is actually the contest hill. And let's see what they can do. Can they get the time of Clove on a loose again? Gets another one, gets that double kill. Is it the start of the Young Prodigy? Does get stunned. His teammates are actually in the hill. It's all the kills are coming out and the streaks are out. The sentry gun, the Goliath are in, and this is it. This is the hill that will make DG make that lead. But as you can see, NRX is trying to push up slowly but surely. Here comes the push, but nothing is coming. Candy does get a double kill, but can they make the push? 20 seconds left. I think the rotation is going to be coming in for that first hill again. But I think Zen actually takes out another one. It's all DG beef. As you see, 10 seconds left. Will they get the scrap or will they just go to the rotation?
That was such a beautiful rotation here by Dunya Games. Again, Clove going to get that second, not quite getting that, just getting the assist, and then he's going to be able to War Machine his way into P1 yet again, trying to do that spawn trap, trying to get that UAV on, and again, but they Crush with the denial, and they're going to be trying to get that point number 1. And right now they are, and I feel like they're going to be able to defend this very solidly, but then Jetsky with a Sparrow gameplay is in trouble, but it doesn't prove to be, oh, it proves to be really good for them as Dunya Games gets a hold of the hard point.
Yeah, but as soon as I said that, there's gonna be a double cluster. But Clove takes him out, shuts them down. But Eric, they're still actually in the game. They can still make the comeback, but Clove is on a roll. Gets another one. Double kill for Clove. Can he make it more? This man is a walking highlight, and he's on a tear. 25 kills. Can he get more kills to his name? 20 seconds. DG will get control of the hill. But JC managed to get the trade, but Clove still gets another one. No one can shut him down. Someone stop this kid, B. Stop him, please.
My goodness, and it's as if he's invisible. It's like no one can actually see him, but then just like that, Crush is able to take him out, and my goodness, it's 117 to 78, and NRX needs to go and push to the next hard point. And right now, they are there already, but then we already know how well DG can actually push them as a unit. And right now, Clove with having 29 kills, and now with 30, bro. He hit 30, man. So right now, again, we are at our 30 club, and it's so far from everyone else in his team, and it's going to be a very wild ride here. But then NRX does have the next hard point. We're going to be seeing how Dunya Games actually responds to this.
Yeah, they're actually not going to win this hill. Actually, NRX slowly coming back now. You know, big kills coming into Crush. Crush actually in the corner. Big kills by Crush, but here comes the War Machine. Spawns in favor of DG, but just like that, 170 to 106. Clove takes out another one, but here comes the boys of NRX slowly pushing. They're getting all the kills that they need. Here it comes. Idra still has that VTOL to use, but doesn't get that kill. 170 to 112. Very good time that they got there. Now they all have to do is actually rotate. Now give up that time and just set up new. They do have to use their scorching for this one. Can the NRX boys come back from this? But here comes DG. 5 seconds left, scrap time, but the spawns are in favor of DG, and Clubs takes them out. But Whoopi already in the other side. See number 4, number 5 at the other side. They have to win their gunfights. 3 of their teammates actually spawning up, and here we go. This is the hill that they have to contest, or else they're not going to be able to win this game. So here we go. Spawns are coming in for NRX. Clove trying to keep pushing at the back. Does get one. Can the trade come in? Yes, the trade comes in. Venom takes out another one. Takes out 2. And just like that, can he take the third one for the win? But JD takes him out. Here comes the VTOL from Idra. As you can see, Beef, it's gonna be. This is it. This is gonna be the contest. So can NRX come back from this?
I feel like NRX can definitely come back from this, especially with that VTOL from Idra. But then Zeze here with the Sparrow gameplay. It's going to be very, very dire, especially he's going to be right there by the entrance. And just like that, we have game number 1 for Dunya Games.